Okay, so now I am on the way to Intramuros for my internship. And actually late na ako. Diyos ko. He's here. Gaga mo, good morning ka naman.
Good morning, good morning. I miss you, mama.
Tapos ano, ito kunwari, ito ma'am. Ito ma'am ay puro ano lang, electrical lang po.
Available po ba sa inyo yung booster pump na 3 base tapos 2 diameter?
Yes. Hey guys, so we are currently heading towards experience. Di ba, lalaki bigla.
Hindi, ano ba group lang?
Yung individual lang is yung reflection.
Oo.
Gagi parang nakakatakot naman yung gem.
Parang bang may nakikita.
Ay, puto yung kita sa video.
At ito, tanga-tanga.
Hi vlog! Me and Nancy love each
Yes.
other so much. We are
Yes.
only children. Oops, basta...
Hi vlog, welcome to my kain.
This is experience, guys. Dito kami kumakain lagi.
Lalagyan ko ng mga
Ang mumura kasi ng mga ano dito. May mga stalls, ganon. Tapos puro pagkain. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain. How was the experience of the experience?
Masarap.
Kaya kasi rap. Kaya, tawa-tawa. Okay.
Isipon ako eh.
Where are we going?
We are going today to Manila Cathedral to attend a 1-hour mass to purify our souls, to cleanse our bodies and minds and souls.
What she said. So our mass just finished. What can you say, Leslie?
It's so warm.
So warm?
Yes.
What about you, girl?
Okay lang.
Thank you, Jesus.
Points. Halimbawa, from this end to this end, o kaya this end to this end to this end, pasok na lang natin dun sa loob. Okay? Okay.
Okay po. Hey guys, so we're currently heading towards Fort Santiago. So we will... What will we do? What will we do in Fort Santiago?
Oh, you asked Rachel.
What will we do as an intern?
Maganda nahihiya ako.
Wala, si bakla. Okay, what will we do? What will we do?
Find some foreigners.
Bitch! That's not how it works. Okay. Nabati. Biglang.
Hi guys, for today, we have earned 50 pesos. This is from hard work, from blood and tears and sweat.
What did you do?
We pictured a tourist, and then he said he's from Cebu, and he wanted his parents to see the picture. And so he was so touched by our generosity, from our kindness, from compassion. Thank you, Mother Teresa.
At ang dami mo sinabi, nagpicture ka lang naman. Ang init. Today is our last day, so it's kind of sad, but 200 lang kasi talaga yung hours namin. So, wala din. Ang dami pong nangyayari. Tapos na-move pa yung last day namin. Supposedly dapat kahapon. Pero dahil na-suspend, ngayon yung last day namin, Wednesday. Ayun, papunta kami ngayon sa Uncle John's kasi ayaw ni Leslie ng chicken sa experience.
Exactly. I don't like their chicken.
Arte. May bago na akong salamin. Tapos bago na buhok ko, si Kimi din. You show your hair.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, ang dami nang nangyari.
Diba? Black ulit.
Yeah. Tanga. Thank you po.
Dapat dito malagay mo. Tama na.
Pakainin
Okay
mo na
na.
si Les.
Tama na. O, sip-sip.
Ito na yung waitress.
Parang di naman yun
Mine.
possible.
Okay. Wow!
Hindi mo lang ubusin mo na yung isa.
What will you miss the most about I?
Wala.
Ibak ano pa?
Ano?
Yes. Sino? What will you miss the most about IE? Or who will you miss the most?
And gems.
And you, Jem?
Why?
What will you miss the most?
The watermelon.
Kakabili mo nga lang yan.
And then you can start to sketch. So again, just be careful when you go here. Kasi you do
Hi, it's our last day. It's such a sad ending. But somehow, it's bittersweet, I guess. Who will you miss the most? Hindi ka gaganyan. Hindi ka gaganyan.
Sasabihin.
Wala kang sasabihin.
Sasabihin.
Yes.
Yes. So, anong message mo sa amin, ma'am?
Wala kayong kwenta. Exactly. Joke lang.
I-delete mo yung ano niya, yung mga files
Oo,
niya.
feeling ko, lalagyan ko yan ng corrupt.
Virus. I miss na yung ganda ko.
Parang di
Yes.
naman.
Ay, kaaway. Picture daw pa, picture.
Bata pa daw yung mom. Kailan nga naging ex mo na? Wala pa. Hello.
Yes.
Fresh pa. Wala pa. Wow, grabe ka naman. 23, ilan taon ka na?
Yes.
Baby! Oh, baby! Pwede na ito.
Sugar mommy ka na naman. Yes. Shit, our ship are sailing. So our OJT just finished, guys. That wraps up our OJT po. But it's raining. Bye, Ate!
Yeah.